Breathing. Breathe normally. Okay. In nose. Okay. Let's see. It's Poonam's day out. You will see. Okay. Ma, please let me go to school today. I have been at home for the past 2 days. She is telling, please let me go to school today. I have been at home for past 2 days. I'm getting bored. Poonam said, okay. Who said this? Poonam said, I'm getting bored. But you still have fever. Go outside and lie down on the cot. Her ma replied, okay. Poonam fell asleep on the cot. Suddenly, something fell on her face. Poonam woke up at once and touched her cheek. Oh no, whose mischief is this? Is it crows or pigeons? You know what is pigeons? It seems, yeah, it seems it is the crows.
It's not pigeons, it's called pigeons.
Yeah, okay. See, children learn a lot from school and things in their environment, from people and things from their own. Through this lesson, children should be given opportunity to observe nature, not just sit at the class and read the lesson. Only see, Poonam picked up picked up a leaf from the ground and wiped her cheek with it. Okay, but her cheek was still sticky. She thought, let me go and wash my face in the nearby pond. This is the pond. Okay, which animals did Poonam see at the pond? Look at the picture and write their names. Which animal did Poonam see at the pond? Poonam see at the pond. Look at the picture and write their names. Okay.
Goat.
Goat. Where? Goat. Okay.
Oxes.
Oxes.
I mean, sorry, Yermas.
Yerma.
In Tamil, they say these two Yerma.
But in English, if you tell Yerma, no one will understand in school. So what do you have to say? Buffaloes.
Buffalo. Oh yeah, buffaloes. I know.
Then what else do you say? Turtle.
Turtle. Frog.
Frog.
Swan.
Where is swan?
I mean, flamingo.
Flamingo.
And the white bird, white pigeon.
Okay. Can you act like the animals seen at the pond? Can you act like animals seen at the pond? Which animal makes what kind of sounds and movements? Try to make similar sounds.
Gop, gop. I want to see the animals.
Yeah, can you act like animals?
Okay. I can act like this white pigeon.
Okay.
I don't know how buffaloes sound. Be like this.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Which animal makes what kind of sounds and movements? Try to make similar sounds. See turtle, how it will make sound.
I know
Frog.
how frog makes sound.
Yeah.
Oh.
Huh?
Remember?
Huh? Huh?
Remember?
How?
Huh?
How does it make sound?
I don't know. But
what kind of sound?
Huh?
What kind of sounds and movements does it make? Okay. Different animals move in different ways to go from one place to another, right? Different animals may move in different ways to go from one place to another place. Some animals walk, some what's that? Crawl. Yeah, some fly.
Beavers.
Some fly and some swim, right? For this, some animals use their feet, some animals use their wings. Wait a minute. Some animals even take the help of their tail. Yeah, tell me.
How to tell? I don't know how claw sounds.
See, can you tell me? You must have seen many animals too, right? Right, which of them can fly?
Easy. Sparrow.
Okay, which of them can crawl?
Wait, there is 3 lines.
Yeah, tell me. Anyone?
Sparrow, pigeon, and crow, and one more parrot.
Okay. Right, which one of them can crawl?
Beaver. Sloth.
Okay.
Beaver.
Okay. So which of them can walk?
That one, swan.
Swan?
Yeah, swan can walk on water.
buffalo,
Yeah,
cow,
buffalo and also
dog.
wait. Dog, cat. What about?
Okay. Which of them can hop?
Huh? Wait, sheep also can walk. Hop.
Okay. Which of them can hop?
Easy.
Hmm.
Rabbit and frog.
Okay. Which of them have wings?
That this one is the same as that one.
Okay.
Can fly and have wings. They both are same.
Okay. Which of them have feet? Which of them have tail?
Every animal have feet.
Okay. Which of them have tail?
Tail.
Hmm.
Fox.
Okay.
Sparrow. Parrot.
Okay. Animals live in different places, right? Some animals live in trees, some in water, some live on land.
How to tell? Sloth and turtle are slowest animal.
Okay. Some live underground, some fly in the sky, some animals even live in our houses, right?
I know that one. Cat and dog.
Yeah. Look at the picture given below.
People.
Color the animals that you don't live in your house.
Okay. I will
Which
color.
animals you don't live in your house? You just tell me, no need to color now, right now. Tell me. Tell me.
I will this color.
Okay, eagle, hen, elephant. They don't live in your house, right? Swan.
But this can live because there's a fish tank.
Okay. Squirrel, lizard,
Cockroach.
cockroach.
Some cockroach are in home.
Okay. Some dogs.
Yeah. Dogs are it.
Yeah, dogs, cats.
Wait, sorry. We should have colored this one. What did this one?
Here are some incomplete pictures of animals. Complete them and write their names. Which animal is this?
Dog.
Which animal is this?
That is fish with no
Which
eyes.
one is this?
That's a cockroach with nothing. With
Okay. From find the name in the crossword,
can-
put a circle around it. One example has been given for you. See, banana is what I love eating. Banana is what you love eating.
monkey.
I spend my time jumping and leaping. I spend my time jumping and leaping. Okay. On the walls, webs I weave. Where insects stick.
Means Spider-Man.
Yeah, where insects stick and cannot live. Can you see spider anywhere is here?
Yeah. Give me the cursor.
Okay. Okay. I remain awake whole night. I remain awake whole night. I go to sleep
I know. Owl.
broad daylight. Which one?
Owl.
Where is that? No, no.
Oh, wait,
No,
I found.
Yeah. Okay. I know. Here it is.
Owl.
Okay. Croak, croak, croak is my sound. I live in water or land. I am found. In water or land, I am found. Who is this?
It's a cricket.
Hmm.
It's a cricket.
No, not cricket. It's a frog.
Oh, that
Croak,
one.
croak, croak. Is my sound. In water or land, I am found. I appear after rainfall, have no feet, so I crawl. Who is this guy? I appear after rainfall, have no feet, so I crawl. Which one is crawl? Huh?
Turtle.
Turtle, it has feet,
No,
right? Crawl. Which one is crawl? Snail? Can you see?
Snake.
Snake? No, snail. Snail.
Oh,
This one. Snail.
snail can walk.
Yeah, snail have no feet, so that crawls.
No.
Don't you know? Snail has no feet.
I know.
So it crawls. That appears after rainfall. Slow and steady is my pace. I always win
Snake
when there is a race. Slow and steady is my pace. I always win when there is a race. Who is this guy?
Oh, slow and steady.
Yeah.
Sloth not win
No,
any race,
turtle.
but there's a turtle.
Where it is turtle is
Give
here.
me. Wait, I know. I can see.
Where? Okay.
Turtle is. Where's the T? I found a T.
Tortoise. I have seen it.
Tortoise.
I have seen it.
But wait.
I have seen it. I have seen it.
Frog.
No, not frog. Tortoise. Tortoise. Tortoise.
You circled a frog.
No, turtle. No, I told, but tortoise. Slow and steady is my pace.
Tortoise.
I always win in the race. I always win when there is a race.
Tortoise.
Take a look at this picture. Take a look at this picture, okay?
Both of them are same.
Take a look at this picture. Can you distinguish the thumbprints from the other fingerprints? Thumbprints from other fingerprints. Where is the thumbprint? Here I think thumbprint. This is thumbprint. I think this is also thumbprint, right?
And also
I think this is thumbprint.
No,
these are not thumbprints. This is thumbprint. Okay. In the same way, using ink or watercolors, make pictures of animals. Make pictures using your own imagination. Do not copy the ones shown above. You can use the pictures you have made to decorate your school and home. Let us have some fun. In your notebook, draw a picture of an animal that you have seen. Okay. Make groups of 3 children. Each group will take a white paper. In each group, one child will draw the face, neck, and an animal of an animal at the top of the paper and hide it by folding its part. The second child will draw the body of another animal in the center of the paper and hide it by folding the paper. The third child will draw its feet, yet another animal. See here. Does it look like something funny animal?
That looks like. Oh, I know what is it. It is an elephant swan person.
With 4 legs?
Yeah.
Does it look like a funny animal? Also, look at the pictures made by your friends. See, spend some time under a tree. Observe animal carefully. Name the animals which can be seen on the branches, on the leaves, on the trunk, on the ground, around the tree. Now arrange the animals in the order of their size. Smallest being the first. Which one is the smallest? Okay, now see, make a zigzag puzzle using the picture of animal. Paste the picture on the cardboard. Now cut the cardboard.
We don't need.
Now cut the cardboard.
I don't have cardboard.
Into unequal pieces. Okay, let us see this one. View these pictures on your phone. This one. Here, the plant fairy. Last Sunday, we went to a garden in the neighborhood. Okay.
No, we do.
Not we. See, they are telling. We played hide and seek and antaksari.
What is antaksari?
Antaksari means like playing songs. We had a lot of fun. After some time, Didi said, "Let us play a new game today." We had played this game in the camp last year. I'll become a plant fairy. The plant fairy will call out a name of something. You will have to touch it. Okay.
Tomorrow's 5 days holiday.
Okay. See, the game began. Didi said, "Plant fairy asks you to touch the plant at once." All the children ran towards the plants. Ammu held the marigold plant. You know marigold plant? And Subham sat touching the jasmine plant. Michael touched the Megandi bush. Dayaram caught hold of a neem tree and stood there. Children can be asked by what name. Games like Antaksari are called in the regions. See, Didi said, "Very good. Everyone has touched a plant. But have you noticed that all the plants are different from each other? Have you noticed all the plants are different from each other? You are also sitting on a little plants.
No.
No, C is sitting in little plants. Can you name a plant on which Didi was sitting? Can you name the plant on which Didi was sitting? See here. Can you name the plant on which Didi was sitting? This one. Can you name the plant on which Didi was sitting?
Just grass.
Huh?
Grass.
Okay. The game started again. The plant fairy now said, touch a tree which has either a thick or thin trunk. Thick or thin trunk. See, children ran again to touch the trees with thick or thin trunks. Have you seen a tree with a trunk as thick as the one shown in the picture? Have you seen a tree
That one
as
is
thick as
easy.
with a
Give
trunk?
me. I'll I'll take it.
Okay.
Okay, that's it.
Michael found a game very interesting. He thought how a lucky fairy was. She could order everyone around. Now I want to be the plant fairy. So the children laughed aloud. A boy fairy. They were now ready to take orders from the new plant fairy. Michael said, some leaves, get me some leaves quickly. Get me some. So he's telling that, get me some leaves. Also, everyone is watching. See, get some leaves very quickly, he's telling, okay? But remember, you are not to pluck the leaves from the plants. The children ran to collect the leaves which were lying on the ground, okay? Children ran to collect the leaves which were lying on the ground.
Tomorrow's holiday.
Okay, see, do all leaves have similar colors,
No.
shapes, and margins? See, do all these leaves have similar color, shapes, and margins?
No.
Dayaram said, I did not know that there was so many types of leaves. Look, some are round, some are long, some are triangular, Amu said. They are of so many different colors as well. Some are light green, some are dark green, okay? Some are even yellow, red, purple. There is one which is green but has a white patches on it.
Okay.
Look, even the margins of these leaves are different from each other. Some have straight margin, some uneven. Some of these margins even look like a saw. அம்மு சப்னம் அப்படி பண்ணாதேன்னு சொன்னால வாயில ஊதாத. Ammu Sabnam shouted together, we also want to be plant fairy. Not today, maybe next Sunday. It is time to go home now. On the way back, Didi recited a poem for everyone. Red, purple, even yellow, some green, wet and loose. Leaves are of different kinds and different shapes and shades. Some are like elephant ears, some are playful like a devil, some are torn, some are folded, even some even eaten like a beetle. And in the early dawns of the darkest hue, you will find the flowers cry tear like dew. Some are like butterflies, some like bees, some are hairy, some plain, some dry up to look thorns, some even resemble cranes, whose cutter and flutter. In the breeze they do all mutter. All day long they smile and play. In the night they slip away. Leaves are of different kinds, different shapes, and different hues. Right?
Yeah.
Color the leaves made around the poem. See, look at these beautiful pictures. They are made of dry leaves. Hmm? They are made of dry leaves. Which leaf gave a good rubbing? Why? Look at the picture and name the things which we have patterns of leaves and flowers. Can you tell? Look at the picture and name the things which have patterns of leaves and flowers.
I can guess it's a normal flower.
Yeah, this is
And
also flower.
also,
This is also flower.
yeah, orange color flower.
Yeah.
I mean leaf, orange color leaf. I
See,
see pink
look
color.
look for objects which have patterns of leaves and flowers on them in your house. Write their names. You must have seen many plants and trees, right?
Yeah.
And how many of them can you name?
Okay.
Hmm.
And then
Hmm.
normally, and also fall leaf.
Okay. Are there any plants that you have heard of but never seen?
But I have.
Are there any
I.
plants that
Yeah,
you have
yeah, yeah,
heard?
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Are there any plants that you have had but never seen? Okay.
Water lily.
Okay.
Lotus.
Oh, you have never seen?
No, I have not seen, but I have seen in the picture water lily
Okay.
and the lotus, but not water lily.
Okay.
Wait,
1 minute.
I didn't see
Choose a
the
tree near your school, okay, or house. Make friends with it, okay?
what.
Can you make friends with it?
How it's not real.
A lasting friendship. What tree is it? Ask some elders if you don't know. Will you like to give your friend a special name? What will you name it? Will you like to give a special name? What will you name it?
Oh,
Will
not
you like
anything.
to give your friend a special name? Huh?
I will not name it anything.
Okay. You have to tell. See, does the tree bear flowers or fruits? Which ones? How does the leaves of the tree look? Do animals live in the tree? Which ones?
Yeah, animals live in tree.
Do animals live in the tree? Which ones? Does the tree bear flowers or fruits? Which ones? Which ones? Find out more about. Find out more about. Okay. Find out more about your tree friend and share it with others. Okay.
Okay.
Draw the picture of your friend tree below and color it. Find out more about your friend, your tree friend, and share it with your others. Okay. Wait a minute. Let us see this one. Water, oh water. I wash my face with water, right?
I drink.
Huh?
I drink.
I wash my face with water, said Munna to his nanny. We all quench our thirst. What do you mean by quench? Quench means drinking water so that we will not feel like thirsty of water. We all quench our
Important to
thirst.
be
We all quench our thirst with water.
subscribed to be hydrated
Okay.
and
We
also
are
like
see we are all alive because of water. Water has been with us for ages. Its story can fill so many pages. Somewhere it is dew, somewhere it is snow. Stream is also water, as you know. Water has formed so many. Then it is what says my nanny. That is what says my nanny. The river flow, the waterfalls sing. Water swells in lake and springs. Life on earth it has brought. Water feeds life, and life they got. But when the water breaks in floods, great misfortune it always walks. Do you know what you mean by misfortune? Do you know any poem or song on water?
no, but wait, like also
Do you know any poem or song on water?
no, I don't know.
Recite it in the class if you know. Okay. Which are the places mentioned in the poem where we find the water?
Uh,
Which are the places mentioned in the poem where we find water?
I don't know poem, but I know which is the place we can find water.
No, poem is above this one. In this one, which are the places it's mentioned in this poem where you find water like a river, pond, lake, like that, right?
River, pond, lake, ocean.
Yeah.
Wait,
Let us see.
ocean, there are
Let us see.
sharks.
Tick the activities for which water is needed to play. To sing, to row a boat, to ride, to make
To
tea.
play and sing. Okay, I know the answer. All right.
Mm.
Uh,
Okay, then to ride, to make a tea. The activity for which water is needed. To make a tea.
what does this mean?
No, to make a tea, we need water, right?
Yeah.
To knead a dough, like chapati maav.
No.
Okay. To run a fan. No.
To
paint
picture,
pictures?
yeah. We can,
Okay.
or we can
To
just,
grow plants.
yeah.
Okay.
Well,
Name any 4 activities which you can do without water, which you cannot do without water. Which
easy.
activity we can do without water? Which activity which we cannot
Easy.
do without water?
Can I tell
Can
you?
do, cannot do. Yeah, tell me.
Run a fan and also fly a plane
Uh.
and what else? To fly a helicopter, you cannot use water.
Okay.
You need petrol.
Which you can do without water, which you cannot do without water.
Can do with water?
Mm.
Easy.
Mm.
Drinking
Mm.
and also taking bath.
Okay, water more or less. See, arrange the following on the basis of amount of water that is needed for each of the activities. Begin with the activity that needs most water. Which activity needs most water? To bath, to drink, to clean the house, to water the fields, to net the dough. Which activity needs more water out of this?
More water.
To clean the house or to
Ocean
water the
has
field?
more water.
Which of the activity need more water? Activity. To bath more water or drink more water or clean the house more water or to water the field to knead the dough.
I'll circle it.
Yeah, first you tell the maximum. First one is the more,
Okay.
most water.
Okay, I think it's
Tell.
I think the water the field.
Yes, to water the field is first. Okay. Can you tell second?
Clean the house.
Correct. Third?
Bath.
Okay. Fourth one?
So everything is answer.
The fourth one is which? Drink or to knead the dough?
No.
To knead the dough?
No, drink.
Drink. Okay. To knead the dough?
Huh?
To knead the dough?
I don't know. Maybe put.
No, it's not correct. To knead the dough, more water than drink water. Okay.
Okay.
So this becomes 4. This becomes 5. Okay.
Okay.
See. Water from where? In the poem you read about rivers, waterfalls, lakes, and springs.
Oh,
Springs.
what about ocean?
Ocean it was not written. So river, waterfalls, lakes, and springs. We get water from all these places, right? From where do you get water? Put a round mark around the places that are either in your house or around it. Is it in your house, lake? In your house or around it, lake?
No.
Well, tube well, pond, waterfall, hand pump, river, stream,
Tap is that.
tap, tank.
Tank? You mean the shooting tank?
No. Tank means like water tank. Sea,
No.
hot water spring.
No.
Okay.
But after hot water is there in taps.
Have you seen hot water coming out of the ground? Have you seen hot water coming out of the ground?
No.
No, we went to Align, right? There we have seen, right? Hot water coming out of the ground. Have you seen the hot water coming out of the ground? Where?
No.
No, we have gone. We have seen. Maybe you are a small boy, you forget. Okay. Does any river flow through your village or city? Does any river in India? Does any river flow through your village or city? If yes, right.
Everywhere if rain comes, but if there is sun, everything will wet.
Okay. Do you know names of any 3 rivers?
Rivers. Okay. River, lake. Wait, I'll tell you.
Do you know the names of any rivers like a river Ganga, Yamuna, Saraswati? Godavari, Kaveri,
I don't get
Nanganjia. These are the names of the rivers in our place. Okay.
I know.
At home, where do you get drinking water from? At home, where do you
Lake.
get drinking water from? Lake?
No, 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 no,
At
no, no.
home, where do you get drinking water from?
Tap.
Okay. Do you have to go far to get water?
Yeah.
Do you have to go far to get water?
Yes.
How much time does it take to bring the water?
1 hour.
How much time does it take to bring water?
1 hour.
No, do you really need to go far to get water?
Yeah.
Do you have to go? Where do you
The
go to
best
get water?
is ocean. Very near.
No, here, how do you get water? Like, okay, do your neighbors bring water from the same place? Do your neighbors bring the water from the same place?
No, they bring
Neighbors
different
bring
place,
water from
different
okay.
place.
Why do we need to store water? Why do we need to store water?
I will ask you a question. That means to drink and
Okay. Why do we need to store water?
uh, to mop the floor or
Okay, okay. Who fetches and stores water in your house? Who fetches and stores water in your house?
I think the tube,
Who
the tap,
fetches and
the
stores?
tap gives us water.
Okay. Who fetches and stores water in your house? Are there certain people who are not allowed to take water from there? Are there certain people who are not allowed to take water from that place? Who are not
I don't
allowed to
know.
take water from there?
I don't know.
Okay. Color the pictures, those containers which you use for storing water. Which one do you use to store water? Tell me. Tell me. This one? This one?
No.
No, this you use to
Wait,
store water.
but
What
that
is
could
this?
be oil.
Okay. Which one? This one? This one? This one? This one? Okay. In your notebook, draw pictures of any other containers which are used for storing water in your house. Take a look at the pictures. If we fill them with water, which will contain least water and which will contain most water? How could you tell?
This bottle?
Yeah, which will contain least water, which will contain the most water?
I
Which
don't know
will contain
what
the least water,
water.
which will contain the most water?
I think
How could you tell?
water in the field contain is more.
How could you tell? See here.
Because it's a
Here
field.
in this one, which one contain the most water, which one contain the least water? In this. Tell.
This.
Which one?
Not
This
the
one?
one. No.
Which one contain the most water? I'm asking. This one?
Yeah.
So this is most water.
No. Least, right? Or least.
Which one contains least water? This one?
Yeah.
See, least water. Okay. How could you tell? See, Hiran and Chutki were feeling very thirsty. What is that?
For feeling very
Very
thirsty.
feeling thirsty. Their uncle gave both of them mango panna in
What
steel
is
tumblers,
mango panda?
juice kind of thing. Okay, but Chutki wanted drink only in glass tumbler. Her uncle poured the panna into a glass tumbler, but Chutki was not happy. She complained, "Uncle, you have given me a less panna. What do you feel? Did Chutki's glass tumbler have less panna?
No, no, no. Which one? Wait.
What do you feel?"
Can I tell you the
Hmm.
most water?
Hmm.
I mean, mango panda.
Hmm.
This one.
How could you tell?
Because it is a big shape. But this one is not. But there's no more
Okay.
water.
Well, maybe both are equal.
Wait. Go up. Let's up. Let's solve this.
Find 7 of them. Given in the grid some places where water is found. Okay.
I
Given
found.
some places where water is found. Where?
Can I tell you? Wait.
I can see lake, right?
Yeah, but I want to do. It's now my turn.
Okay. Next you do it. Yeah.
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 Well,
Okay.
you do.
I can see something. See.
Oh. Wow.
You do. I could see. I could see. I could see.
Wait, I know it's river.
Where?
Where'd it go?
Hmm.
River. Where's the river?
Where is it? What is this? Okay, also.
Huh? There's another well? Oh my god. Sorry.
Okay, I could see one more. See, what is this? Yeah.
Ah, this one is the easiest one.
Which one?
Tap.
Okay.
Huh? Come on. Come. Tap.
Okay. I could see this rain.
Rain?
Yeah. No,
Oh.
rain is not correct, right?
Rain is correct, but it contains cold water to get sick.
Okay.
Anyways.
See, in every row, put a round around that is different from the others. Also, tell how it is different. Can you tell how it is different? River, mountain, lake, pond, spring. Which one is different from the others? River. Yeah. Can you put round?
This one.
Why?
Because look, does it contain water? No, right?
River, lake, pond. Spring also contain water, right?
Yeah.
Pond also contain water, right?
Wait, I'll circle.
Lake also contain water, right? River also contain water. So mountain is not containing water, so you correct. So next one, bathing, washing clothes, swimming, combing hair, kneading dough. Which one is different and how it is different?
Because combing hair, do we use water? No, right?
I will use water. I'll take water. I'll put like this. And
Who does that?
okay, leave it. Fish, duck, monkey, crocodile, tortoise. Can you circle around the one that is different from others and tell how it is different? Also tell how it is different. Can you?
Which different?
Yeah, can you circle in this one? Which one is different from others?
The crocodile.
No, no, monkey. Because fish is in water, duck also in water, it can be crocodile also in water, tortoise also in water, but monkey will not be in water.
Yeah, but you don't tell that.
Car, boat, bus, train, bicycle. Which one is different from other?
Oh.
How it is different?
It doesn't go on land.
Okay.
It doesn't have legs.
Yeah, correct. Look what you have made.
What? We did this with Jyota before, remember?
Yeah, I remember.
We're doing again.
But Janta is now not there.
But
Okay.
this is a joint meeting.
Let us see this one, okay? Our first school, okay? We learn so many things when we come to school, okay? We learn so many things when we come to school. But do you know which one is our first school?
Yeah.
Yes, it is our family. Do you know which one is our first school?
I know.
We learn so many things from our family, much before we learn from anywhere else. Much before we learn anything from else. This is because we are so close to our family, right?
Yeah.
But we really never gave it a thought. Give it a thought. We really never give it a thought. Let us think about our family.
Where is the glue?
Let us think about our family and talk about it.
Okay.
Let us think about our family and let us talk about it, okay?
Our family.
That we will draw a list, okay?
What is that?
Who all are there in your family? Who all are there? Who all are there?
Daddy.
Who all are there in our family? Daddy. Write their names and how they are related to you. Okay.
I will write one. I will write one, and I will write two. Not teach.
What is that?
Mom.
Okay.
And wait, I have to write
Wait. What do your family members call you lovingly? What do your family members call you lovingly?
There's no one called me that.
Lovingly.
No
Okay. Do you have a pet name?
one. Yeah. But
What's that?
that dog died. The how it car accident. That was a very small dog. The tire came here and then broke its leg.
Which one?
The small puppy.
No, I'm not asking puppy. I'm asking you, do you have a pet name?
Yeah, I have another one.
What?
That is my mom named it.
Hmm.
She named it as Jacket.
Okay. How do you call your family members? Look at the picture carefully. Two persons in the picture look a lot like each other. Look a lot like each other. How do you think they are
Yeah.
related? How do you think they are
Wait,
related?
can I tell?
Yeah.
Can I circle?
Yeah.
It's this one, this girl,
Huh?
this boy. Look at the nose.
Hmm.
And also, wait, sorry, how to do this? Wait, Arizona?
Eraser.
I will circle it properly this time.
Hmm.
Sorry.
Wait a minute. Hmm.
Look, she looks like this boy
Hmm.
over here.
Hmm.
And she looks like this woman.
Hmm.
Huh? Doesn't
How
make
do you
sense.
think they are related?
I don't know. I don't know how. How does that even make sense?
Okay. Is there any similarity between you and any other member of your family in the way you talk, walk, smile, or even in your looks? With whom and how? Is there any similarity between you and any other member of your family in the way you talk, walk, smile, or even in your looks? With whom and how?
Uh,
Let us now read Anwari's family. Okay, the older members of Anwari family works as dobbies.
Dobbies?
Dobbies. Dobbies means washermans. All the members of the family lend a hand in washing, drying, ironing the clothes. Anwari and her cousin Tawfiq are also learning the work done by the family. Is your family involved in any particular work? Is your family involved in any particular work?
But for me?
No. Is your family involved in a particular work?
No.
Do you help the family with the work? Do you
Yeah,
help the family
only
with the work?
sometimes.
How do you help them? Or what kind of work? What kind of help do you offer?
This is the easiest one. Everyone can guess.
What is that?
You don't know, washing the plate.
Okay.
That one. Finish.
We learn many things from our family members. Anwari and her cousins learned cycling from her uncle. You also learn many things from your family. What and from whom?
But I know cycling.
What and from whom? You also learned many things from your family. And what and whom from whom? Has anyone learned anything from you? Has anyone learned anything from you? Has anyone learned anything from you? Think and write, okay? When I'm sad, I go to my. When you are sad, to whom you will go?
Oh.
You will not go to your mommy?
No, I'm right.
Hmm.
It's only M
Hmm.
O
Hmm.
M.
Okay. When I want to know about the past, I go to my. When I want to know the past, I go to my.
This is a really big one, okay?
Hmm.
F
Hmm.
and A
Hmm. Hmm.
and everyone knows this.
Hmm.
I'll tell subscribe, so I'll tell you.
Hmm.
Okay, and
Hmm.
I
Hmm.
L
Hmm.
Y family
Okay, when I want to share my secrets, I go to my.
friend. I'll
Okay,
write this.
okay, no problem. When I do something wrong, I go to my.
Teacher.
Okay. Everyone removes their shoes before entering the house. This is the practice in Sureka's family. Some of the Sureka's friends enter the house without removing their shoes.
But they
Sureka's,
removed the house.
yeah, Sureka's grandfather gets angry at that. Are there any particular practices followed by your family? What are those?
Probably.
Okay. Which practices you and your family do to keep your house and surroundings clean? Which practices do you and your family do to keep your surroundings clean? To your keep your house and surroundings clean.
There's no practice in my house.
Does any member of your family have any particular habit like laughing loudly or singing when they are happy?
No,
Does
but
any member of your family have a particular habit? Have any
yeah,
particular
I
habit?
have, I have, I
Yeah,
have. Can I
like
circle?
laughing loudly.
Yeah, and I make some of my friends laugh loudly.
Okay.
Different.
How do you show respect to elders in your family? Look around to see how others show respect. Ask any older member of your family to tell a funny incident of her or his childhood. Okay,
Okay.
I think let us stop it, huh? Right?
Wait, I want to
Today,
show
see, today we have learned 4 chapters.
you
24 chapters are there.
54.
Yeah, so we will learn tomorrow. Okay.
Wait. I want to show everyone what.